G'day, Alex Moss here from Tactical Arbitrage, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Update Data button, why we would need it, and when to use it. So in this particular instance we have 1,954 products in the View Data page. Now we do have option to select a small amount of items and use the smaller Update button, which will update just a few. But I'm going to tell you about this Update Data button here. This is a global setting, and most of the settings up the top here are all essentially global settings, whereas down here we have some more individual adjustment for selected items. So hopefully that is a little more clear. When I'm talking about the Update Data button here, and don't be afraid to press buttons once in a while, you're not going to break anything by experimenting and learning the software. So I'm going to start by hitting this button, and it's going to open up a pop-up. Now, if I was to select Update Source Prices, what that's going to do is visit the buy store, in this case target.com, or if it encounters several different kinds of websites throughout its search, it's going to update those source prices. Now, Update Adjusted Prices is a little bit different. If I hit Update Adjusted Prices, it's going to say, tell me the store price adjustments that you want to update. Those adjustments might be a coupon code, like 10% off the entire store price. Maybe there's now a 20% off deal. And maybe we've got triple Ebates cashback today as well. So we've got 18% or something on this. So this is looking really good for us. This is going to affect our adjusted price. Now our adjusted price is essentially what is being used when calculating our gross return on investment. So anyway, we're going to update the adjusted price on every single row here. And you'll notice that all these prices have been adjusted accordingly. So what else is on here? We've got Update Amazon Data. Now, Amazon Data consists of several things. It's going to check the buy box price, the return after fees. It's going to check a few things like sales rank, and it's going to update anything like that that may have changed. Updating all data will cycle through all 1,954 items, one by one. And it's going to update the source price and the Amazon price. Now, the adjusted price is a standalone related to particular cashbacks, so we don't update this when we do update all data. But update all data essentially will go through and update all of the source pricing, and it'll update all of the Amazon pricing. Not only that, it'll also write this data to our databases as well. Because we have a complete fresh set of data, we might as well save that in our databases as the most current data, so that when somebody else is doing what's called a cached search, which we'll talk about later, they'll be able to see this fresher information because you've done that update data. So because updating 1,954 products takes a very long time, I will, for the moment, not do that, but I will show you in a future video exactly how to update data on an individual basis. Alright, so in the next video we're going to get into these buttons here, these single product control buttons. We're going to have a look at how these apply to each row on a row by row basis, and what each button will do, what each one of these little ones will do here. Thank you very much.